So in the left car, you can see that the two left-hand cars are only single door. So this is one of the lifts on the right. It's got the rear doors. So only cars 3 and 4 have the rear door. The other cars are single door only. God, we don't stop. We might stop at 3, that's it. That was unfortunate, but these lifts are super busy. Like, these lifts are always in use, so that was always going to happen. It's constant. Come on, get in focus. Car top controls by the looks of things. Holy crap, is that the motor? That looks like the motor. Jeez. There's so many new lift parts around. Not everything in this room is to do with lifts. This is a general storeroom that I have access to. I don't really know what's what. I don't think any of this is to do with the lifts. But all over the place there's these big crates with Schindler on the side. So we know that those boxes have all got Schindler parts. There's some more boxes there. There was more up here earlier, and they just took a whole load of stuff. Of empty boxes and stuff got taken away this morning. That there looks like one of the old parts. And the car top controllers. And this, I think, might be the lift motor. I'm not sure, one of the new motors. I'm not too sure. That looks like something to do with the counterweight, maybe? I'm not too sure, or something to do with the drive system. I still think that's a motor. I'm not too sure. These might be lift cables, I don't know. I can't get close enough to that to see what it is. But most of these, all of these boxes here are all to do with the lifts. Another control box there. These are all new parts. These are going to be Schindler 7000 according to the engineers. So a lot of parts. A lot of parts. We found the buttons. Look what buttons we've got. And looks like we're going to have digital display indicators. Awesome. We have found the buttons.